Good morning everyone, welcome back to another vlog. This morning it is 9 o'clock. It is the public holiday of the Queen's morning. So Linky and I are going for a walk. We're meeting one of my friends for a walk along the Mornington Peninsula. We're going to do like a nice, I think it'll be about 10 Ks. The weather is absolutely beautiful. It's going to be 22 and sunny. It's already like so sunny and bright. So it's 9 o'clock. I'm about to leave. It's about an hour drive from my place to the Mornington Peninsula. So yeah, take you along and see what we get up to. Hello. Hello. So we have arrived at the starting point. So we're starting in Blairgowrie. We're doing the Bridgewater Bay walk. So yeah, it's about 5 Ks to the end, and then we're just gonna come back. Emily took a wrong turn and she's like 15 minutes away. So we're just kind of chilling for a little bit. Got everything ready to go. And yeah, it's such a beautiful day. It's so beautiful. There was heaps of people like out. There's like heaps of restaurants and cafes and stuff out there. There's heaps of people out and about. Obviously it's a public holiday, so yeah, hopefully it's not too busy. We can get some lunch a bit later. And yeah, just enjoy the sunshine, really. She's made it.
Hello everybody. Welcome. Hey, and you wouldn't believe it.
What?
I've actually been here before.
Have you?
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me this?
I was like, oh, I've been here.
Why didn't you tell me this?
I haven't done the walk, but I just like,
Okay.
walked down the track to the end. And then...
Great.
Hi. Hi. Did you actually check if it was playing fun?
No.
That's your one job.
Let's eat it, boys. So we've realised it's like this the whole way. Trying to find an alternative route. See how we go. Thank you boys, got a muffin. Em's being very social.
Hi. The 2 seconds that I am on the maps trying to get us to better places.
So this isn't the beach walk we envisioned when we came out this way.
What do you think when you think beach?
Ocean views. Currently these are our views. Please take it all in. Ocean views, lovely. We love to see it.
We love to see it.
So it turns out that there's no actual paths along the beach, or even footpaths along the road that is next to the beach. So we've resorted to this. Just trying to do 10K a day. So as soon as we hit that 10K, life will be good.
Life will be good.
But hopefully we can see some water soon. Would be lovely.
We'll update you, I'm sure.
I'm sure.
These ocean views.
Stunning. Incredible. Alright, see you now.
All we can see is wide open spaces and ocean views.
I can hear the ocean.
We can hear it, but we can't see
We're
it.
nearly there.
Why is my face like this?
I don't know, it's probably dirty. Maybe dirty ones. Hello. Better?
We're looking good.
Here we are. No ocean views yet, but we're persistent. What steps are we on? Can we get a step stat?
Hold on.
Now.
8,457 steps with no ocean views.
We love to see it.
I don't actually know how you go to the Blairgowrie / Sorrento area, which is like a narrow, almost island-like area. Like you've just got ocean on each side, and you do nearly 9,000 steps
with no
ocean views. Keating Ave, this could be it. We'll never know.
Ocean views. Oh wait. I can actually hear it, but it should be just there. Sorry, Ocean views.
Our favourite place.
This one. The coastal walk.
How is it up there, bud? You're having fun?
You should see his smile. Here we are, back at the car. We've made it. Final stats. Oh.
Final stats, 10.3 kilometres, 13,574 steps,
We love to see it.
11 floors.